Craving a crispy, garlicky treat that's ready in a flash? Whether you're looking for a quick snack, a cozy side for your favorite soup, or just want to treat yourself to something warm and comforting, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my absolute favorite 2-minute garlic butter grilled sourdough recipe. It's the kind of snack that instantly lifts your mood and fills your kitchen with the most irresistible aroma. Some days, you just need that golden crunch and a hit of comfort, and this recipe delivers every single time. Let's get started. First, grab a bowl and toss in a generous scoop of softened butter. Make sure your butter is nice and soft. It'll make mixing so much easier and help it spread beautifully on your bread. Next, add a big spoonful of minced garlic. Don't be shy with it. The more garlic, the more flavor. If you love that bold, savory kick, go ahead and add an extra clove or two. Sprinkle in some fresh parsley, chopped nice and fine, and a pinch of salt. The parsley adds a pop of color and freshness, while the salt brings all those flavors together. Mix everything together until it's creamy, smooth, and absolutely packed with flavor. You want every bite to have that perfect balance of buttery richness and garlicky goodness. Now grab your sourdough. Go for thick slices. Don't skimp on the size. The thicker the bread, the better it holds up to all that delicious butter, and you get that amazing contrast between the crispy outside and the soft, chewy inside. Slather each side with that garlic butter magic. Be generous. You want every inch covered, trust me. The more butter, the more flavor, and the more satisfying that crunch will be. Make sure to get all the way to the edges. Those crispy corners are the best part. Heat up a skillet over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. You want that sizzle when the bread hits the pan. It's the secret to getting that perfect golden crust. Lay the bread down, butter side first, and listen to that sizzle. There's nothing better. The smell of garlic and butter hitting the heat is pure magic. Let it cook until the edges turn golden and crispy, and the butter melts into every crack and crevice. Don't rush this step. Let the bread get that deep, toasty color for maximum flavor. Flip and repeat on the other side. You're aiming for that perfect, even crunch on both sides, so keep an eye on it and adjust the heat if you need to. Now for the best part. A big, satisfying bite. The outside is shatteringly crisp, the inside is soft and steamy, and every mouthful is loaded with garlicky, buttery goodness. You'll notice the glossy, buttery shine on top, and the aroma is just out of this world. It's the kind of snack that makes you close your eyes and savor every bite. This 5-minute recipe is my go-to snack, but it's also the ultimate side for pasta, soup, or even a fresh salad. It's so simple, but it always impresses. If you love quick, delicious recipes that make your day a little brighter, hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty shorts. I've got plenty more easy kitchen wins coming your way. Go make this right now. Your taste buds will thank you, and you'll have a new favorite snack in your back pocket. Enjoy every bite.